Can you just kwento na lang, ano po yung character niya and paano, what do you think of your character? How is it gonna be different from the other roles portrayed in the past?
Uh, the difference is, for this particular character, he is the type of guy that um, gets into something and he will never let go. For one reason, he's dedicated, what I should call it, a police officer or an investigator. So he's the type who's parang focusing everything he does. Is sa agency is one of the best. Pag medyo complicated yung case sa kanya tinignan. It's just unfortunate. His personal case, he lost. And that's the chip on his shoulder. He wants to avenge sa nangyari sa kanya. And unfortunately, he wasn't able to go through the process to a point where napabaya sa sarili niya. If you notice, dun sa pinakita kanina, I had to prepare for that character kasi number one, ito yung type of character na pwede namang tayo bukas. Ito yung type of character na basta na-achieve na yung goal niya, he can go. And pwede siya lumaban ng patayan, it doesn't matter. So that's the type of character. He became an alcoholic, but still focused on his job. He doesn't care about how he looks. If you notice, hindi siya wala siyang pakialam ng damit niya, buhok niya, or whatnot. Hindi siya nag-aahit na rin. He goes to his office na ganun yung tsura niya. Basta siya, focus na, and you will not allow anyone to bother him kung ano man yung ginagawa. On the personal level naman, when I took on this project, I made a commitment that based on character. Now, this guy is a loser. So I prepared for it. I intentionally cut my diet and started binging so I can gain weight and stomach. Yung makeup, it's almost nothing makeup, if you notice. I didn't shave, because my hair is like all white, glow, na parang natulog, gumising, went out, ganun pa itsura. So for me, it's a commitment that I did para ibigyan ko ng justice yung si Sam.
Curious ako, sir, meron ka bang, you see something similar with Sam?
Personally?
Yeah.
Personally, something similar. Siguro yung being focused. I mean, if I get into something, I want to make sure I give it my 100%. But that's our similarity. Another thing that's really kind of complicated with this character. Even if you see him as a loser, even if you see him as serious, but he attacks everything very lightly. Yung parang hindi siya yung typical na character ng loser, parang galit palagi. When he's with people, ano siya, medyo magaang siyang kausap ng tao. The reason behind it is because since he's so intense, he wants people to be comfortable with him when he talks to his clients, when he talks to suspects, or anything. Gusto niya, hinuhuli niya yung buong tao. So parang po siyang barkada. Ganun ang approach niya when he's handling things. But behind that, when he's alone, ruthless, serious person. Ruthless na nasa tamang bagay, although that's the part.
So hindi na yung alam kung good guy.
You have to watch from start to end.
Okay.
Sir, question lang po. By the way, I'm reading the questions from Inquirer. Since nabanggit nyo nga po, no, you had to make an effort para do sa character kasi pabaya sa sarili yung character, a loser. On your part, bilang kilala po na disiplinadong tao, na hindi nagpapabaya sa sarili, looking young, nahirapan po ba kayong gawin yun?
Effort, really, really hard. Well, number one, my body's not used to eating, binging. So, medyo nahirapan ko. And I've noticed since I started binging, yung sleep pattern ko na iba. Naging shorter. Siguro, apekto ng eating too much. develop ako ng eye bags na ngayon hindi ko matanggal dahil doon. And then the quality of my skin also became bad. Sabi ko, ito pala pag inabuso mo yung sarili mo, ito yung magiging result. So it was really an effort. It was really, really hard.
Yung mga ganun po ba, kinoconsult nyo, sir, sa medical professional? Siyempre, hindi naman tayo na bata para gumawa ng ganung efforts. Ganyan.
Yes, I have my physician on call all the time and monitoring my blood chem to make sure na I don't go overboard. But so far naman, na-manage naman siya. Okay. Hopefully.
Sir, during the interview with Edo Manzano, Sir Edo Manzano, kasama niya ata sa Lavender Fields din, he was joking about, I hate Albert, sabi niya gano'n. May clash ba kayo dito sa series? May clash kayo dito? Oh.
Well, we are, we're,
Mortal.
well, mayroon kasi kwento, baka,
baka mag-spill.
But, ginagawa namin ni Edo yun para ma-develop yung interaction namin sa set. So, when we see each other, or we're in the same scene together, meron kami parang,
Marami kayong eksena together.
marami kaming eksena ganun. Parang, I'm questionable sa mata niya, he's questionable sa mata.
Kaya. Sir, parang last series nyo was The Iron Heart and villain kayo dun, ano? So, how would you describe, villain kayo dito sa laban niyo? Would you say na villain dito?
This is a complicated narrative. Very, very complicated. It's, kaya nga sabi ko, the best way to understand is to watch it from start to finish. Kasi meron masyadong mangyayari sa story. Ironheart is different because from day one to the end, he was talaga a total villain. And he will take no excuses. Kung zero ka, sisiro ka niya talaga.
And do you enjoy talaga playing a villain character?
Why not? It's the best. You're unlimited to what you can do. You can be creative about it. So, I really enjoyed playing villain characters for one reason that I can do whatever I want.
Okay.
Parang there is tentativity sa pagsasalita mo. Parang hindi mo maamin kung villain ka or you're just a character. Is your role more of a character than a villain? Here,
I was given a guidance by the production, not to mention the detail. But anyway,
Okay.
It's really complicated. It's a very complicated character, and part of the narrative twist involves yun nga. So it's too soon for me to reveal what's going to happen, but it's something that you'll say, ganun pala. Or yung expectation nila.
Does it surpass your Ironheart character? Or magkasing level lang sila this time with Xandro?
Well, different kasi intensity ng Ironheart character is talagang
Kasi sa Ironheart, given ka agad di ba?
Saka evil kung evil yun eh. Wala siyang gray. It's all black. And it's totally different from this.
So may gray itong character mo this time. Miss Wei.
Kaya lang siya papayagan.
You do it subtle. Very subtle.
That's my look. During the time he was like going through the process. And then all of a sudden,
May transformation. Okay. I'll do the talking.
subtle.
Subtle lang. Okay.
Baka mamemo ako dito.
Sige.
Sir, kasi po sanay kami dun sa narrative na ang paghahanda ng actors yung nagsished ng palm. So kung pwede ko lang pong balikan yung proseso po ng pag-ready niyo. Sabi niyo nag-binge eating kayo, tama po ba? Ilan po yung na-gain niyo na pounds? Or ano po yung mga pagkain na binge eat niyo during the process?
Well, for one, I only eat once a day. And basic, stop is your basic food ko talaga. It's just, I have kamote, I have hard-boiled eggs, with black rice, minsan wala akong black rice. And I have pineapple all the time for fiber. So that's my regular. And then I have healthy soup. When I took over this character, free for all, I can eat. But the problem is, I have to get used to eating more than I should. Kasi sanay na ako sa konti, 1 count rice.
Portion.
Ngayon, all of a sudden, you have to eat more. And don't copy it, I'm just doing it for the character. I had to drink beer also. Kasi ang bilis magpataba ng beer. So, I drink 3 beers a day. So, in-add-on ko yun para have a quicker result without really sacrificing my health. Because another way to do it is take on cakes, sugar. Ang long-term side effect nun, hindi maganda. So, I took the other side.